What's going on, everybody? It is Thursday, June 29th. So we had a pretty nice day today. I got to tell you a couple of things here. First of all, I'm very surprised at the strength of the market, even though, well, I'll talk about the flows, but, we're still recovering from that tax drain. So this is a really strong market, and I think that we're going to see at some point some FOMO rally, fear of missing out. All these monetarists who've been selling for the last year, and still thinking that the Fed rate hikes are going to turn the thing into a collapse. We even had an upside revision in GDP. But, I mean, what got me today was the big headline, right? Was like, hey, all the banks passed the stress test. Of course they're going to pass the stress test because they know they have to be in compliance. But what about that so-called banking panic? What was it last month? What was that all about? I mean, I told you guys it was completely ridiculous. I told you it was completely ridiculous. And now all of a sudden, like today, the bank stocks are up, and everybody's, every headline is, oh, they passed the stress test. I mean, come on, guys. Like, how long are you going to listen to the media? How long are you going to continue to listen to this Wall Street garbage? How long are you going to continue to follow this monetarism and, this psychosis of monetarism and monetary policy as the prime focus? I'm the only one. I've been telling you guys all along since last October when I said that was the end of the fiscal contraction for 2022. And I said, you got to get back in the market. And that's exactly what has happened since then. Exactly. And since then, I've been telling you all the dates. I said, in February, we're going to peak out because we're going to get a quarterly interest payment. And then I said in June, we're going to head down because of the corporate tax payment. And then we're going to recover, and the market's going to continue to go up because, look, already this month, we got another, on the daily treasury statement, there's going to be another 2 days. There's going to be today and tomorrow. But we're at 510 billion of leading spending flows for the month. So that's going to be at least coming to like, I would say 540 billion easy by the time we see the June 30th number. Okay, and then we have, and by the way, June 30th, we're going to get the big payment. I think we'll get the big payments day because that would be the July 1st payments, and that's on a Saturday. So it's gonna boost everything up. I'm telling you, today we had like a 30 billion net positive flow. So that reduces. I said yesterday we had like a 73 billion still that we had to recover from the tax drain. So today we had like a 30 billion net positive flow. So now it's like down to like 43 billion. So it's starting to come back. Now you see the dollar has been strong, and I forecasted that, and I said the dollar was going to be strong during the tax drain period. But now's the time you should start selling into this dollar rally, because as the fiscal flows pick up and as we replenish what's been taken away in the tax drain, the dollar will come back down. All right. Same thing with gold. This pullback in gold is a magnificent opportunity. I mean, you may not see this number again for a long time. But this is a magnificent, like down in the low 1900s. I mean, this is a great opportunity to be long gold. And I'm curious to see tomorrow when we see the CFTC commitments of futures report what the producers are doing. But I can almost assure to you that they are buyers down here. They are covering shorts, buyers by liquidation. by short covering. So yeah, I mean, today was a good day. I'm very impressed by the market's strength, despite the fact that we still have to get that. Now it's down what I said, like 40 something billion recovered from the tax drain, but I said that was all going to be recovered. See, this is the reason why I don't get all uptight about taxes. I do personally, because yeah, we got to pay them and that sucks. But in the macroeconomic sense, they just get spent right back out again. So like, it's a periodic drain, which we know the dates. It's not like a surprise, like boom, it happens and we don't know. We know the dates, and then it's a periodic drain, and then it takes 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes a little bit longer, to recover what's been lost. And it's a net positive. At the end of the day, government running deficits is a positive addition to the financial balances. That's the swimming pool going up. That's the swimming pool going up. It's what I've been trying to explain to you guys for so long. Like, I don't know. I don't understand it. Like, people make this way harder than it should be. Like, if you understand the macro picture, then I mean, they should teach this in schools to kids. They should teach this in school to kids. And I mean, like, they should start teaching kids how to invest, like, a couple of dollars every month. If you have, and I've done this on talks that I've given, if you get a newborn baby and you invest $50 a month, which I think most people can afford, just the normal growth of the stock market, I mean, that baby will, by the time retirement age, there's a few $1 million there. No problem. That's the stuff they should be teaching. I mean, they don't say anything about that. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for today. It was a good day. There's so much built up. I think there's so much built up buying power in this market. I looked today at the weekly AAII, that's the American Association of Individual Investor Sentiment Survey. I think we had the second week down in bullish sentiment, even though it's slightly above the historical average, but that's going to go way up. Once these monetarist guys start throwing in the towel, and these are all the big shots on Wall Street. These are all the big shots on Wall Street. Folks, listen, take their money. Come on. This is what I'm here telling you every day. I tell you how to take their money. All right, that's it for today. Go to my website, sign up for a 30-day trial of MMT Trader. You need this. I'm the only one who has an applied approach to MMT. Go for it. See you tomorrow. Bye.